Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, level 12 or higher, Azure key and inventory, and at least 75% stamina so you can sprint if needed. Once done, teleport to North Ridge Waypoint and travel west to the Broken Arch at dusk. Lighting matters. Move into stealth stance, circle the arch slowly, and hold interact for about 2.5 seconds to probe the seam. This action forces the arch's hidden latch to animate. Keep pressure until the hollow's entrance pulses blue. Once the latch animates and the gap pulses blue, step forward without hesitation. Timing is strict. As you enter, anticipate a short-timed dodge window, press jump, and then roll within 0.8 of a second to avoid the fallback trap. Keep momentum. Dodging preserves your entry state. After clearing the trap, follow the faint echo markers on the floor that lead deeper. Make sure to light your lantern to stabilize visibility, because the hollow's ambient magic scrambles your natural sight if left dark. You finish by reaching the inner node and depositing the Azure key into the socket. This anchors your presence. After insertion, watch for the crystal bloom. When it opens, step through the central shimmer to secure full access. If the entrance fails to remain open, don't panic. Return to the Broken Arch, reposition exactly where the seam is visible, and repeat the 2.5-second interact. That retry fixes most sync or animation glitches and ensures you enter without losing key progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.